Hi, this is Professor Prakash Ukhadkar. In this video, I will cover limitations of cloud computing. Yes, there are certain limitations of cloud computing as well. Let us discuss them one by one. As discussed in the previous videos, cloud computing is a tool that offers enormous benefit to its adopters. However, being a tool, it also comes with its set of problems and inefficiencies. Let's address the most significant one: security and privacy in the cloud. Security is the biggest concern when it comes to cloud computing. By leveraging a remote cloud based infrastructure, a company essentially gives away private data and information, things that might be sensitive and confidential. It is then up to the cloud service provider to manage, protect, and retain them. Thus, the provider's reliability is very critical. A company's existence might be put in jeopardy, so all possible alternatives should be explored before a decision. On the same note, even end users might feel uncomfortable surrendering their data to a third party. Similarly, privacy in the cloud is another huge issue. Companies and users have to trust their cloud service vendors that they will protect their data from unauthorized users. The various stories of data loss and password leakage in the media does not help to reassure some of the most concerned users. Next, dependency and vendor lock-in. One of the major disadvantages of cloud computing is the implicit dependency on the provider. This is what the industry calls vendor lock-in. Since it is difficult and sometimes impossible to migrate from provider once you have rolled with him. If a user wishes to switch to some other provider, then it can be really painful and cumbersome to transfer huge data from the old provider to the new one. This is another reason why you should carefully and thoroughly contemplate all the options when picking a vendor. Then there are technical difficulties and downtime. Certainly, the smaller business will enjoy not having to deal with daily technical issues and will prefer handing those to an established IT company. However, you should keep in mind that all systems might face dysfunctions from time to time. Outage and downtime is possible even to the best cloud service provider, as the past has shown. Additionally, you should remember that the whole setup dependent on internet access. Thus, any network or connectivity problems will render the setup useless. As a minor detail, also keep in mind that it might take several minutes for the cloud to detect a server fault and launch a new instance from an image snapshot. Next, limited control and flexibility. Since the applications and services run on the remote third party virtual environments, companies and users have limited control over the function and execution of the hardware and software. Moreover, since remote software is being used, it usually lacks the features of an application running locally. Finally, there is increased vulnerability in cloud computing environment. Related to the security and privacy mentioned before, note that cloud-based solutions are exposed on the public internet and are thus a more vulnerable target for malicious users and hackers. Nothing on the internet is completely secure, and even the biggest players suffer from serious attacks and security breaches. Due to the interdependency of the system, if there is a compromise on one of the machines that data is stored, there might be a leakage of personal information to the world. That's it for limitations of cloud computing. Thank you.